Students, see, this is the mathworks.com link on which we can perform the experiment. So when you will open that link, we will get such data. Click on this, run this example in your browser. Then such window will appear, and for frequency, for learning the sampling theorem, we can use this window. So we will learn what is the sampling statement. So continuous time signal can be completely represented in its samples and recovered back if the sampling frequency fs is greater than or equal to twice f maximum. This is known as sampling theorem, or particularly it is known as Shannon's sampling theorem. Okay, and what is Nyquist's rate? So Nyquist rate, it is equal to twice f maximum. And when we will learn that sampling theorem, then we can find what is the. So students, when you will open that math links, such window will appear there, and as we are not requiring this, we will delete all this like this. So see carefully how to run it. Now here we can write our MATLAB program. This is the cursor, and I will click on this code so that I can write the MATLAB command. First we will enter numerator. So numerator is equal to rectangular bracket. Suppose our numerator is 0 space 0 space 1. Then after bracket there is semicolon. Okay. Then when we have to enter another, it will get, yes, there is a rectangular bracket. So I will enter another term, and suppose that is d. So d equal to, and I have to enter that. Suppose our d is 1 space 1 space 0. So from this, what will be the transfer function of the system? If numerator and denominator is given, then our system is 1 divided by a square plus s plus 0. Okay. And after that, what will happen? We have to run that MATLAB program. So what is that MATLAB program? See, the MATLAB program will be given by this way. And when we will enter this MATLAB program, first we have to enter the numerator, n equal to 001, d equal to 110, then dd equal to numerator plus denominator. Y is response. So y equals to transfer function into bracket n comma dd. So ns1 ds1 is equal to c2 dm n d1, where 1 is the sampling period. dns1 will be ns1 plus ds1. Second case, we will take sampling period as 2 seconds. So our command will be ns2 comma ds2 is equal to c2 dm circular bracket n comma d comma 2. So what will be dns2? It will be ns2 plus ds2. Again, we will take third case, that is sampling period of 0.5 seconds. Hence, our command will be ns3 ds3 is equal to c2 dm circular bracket n comma d comma 0.5. Hence, dns3 will be equal to ns3 plus ds3. U equal to 141. Now this k is the number of samples. So on x-axis we want 40 samples, we will write 0 as to 40. If we want only 20 samples, we will write 0 as to 40. Y1, Y2, Y3, these are the responses for different sampling periods, different 3 cases, 1, 2, 3. So we will filter ns1, dns1, u, and so on. Then step means Y response. We will use that standard test signal, step signal. Because in experiment number 1, we learn the various types of standard test signal like step signal, ramp signal, parabolic, sinusoidal, as well as exponential. So out of that, we are using step signal. Next is V equal to 0 space 40 space 2 space 2, axis V, hold on. Now this hold on command means first wave is hold on, still next waves, next response come, and so on. And this is the last command to plot that all the responses. And when we will complete that program, I will go in slide mode so that your figure will be more clear to you. Now see, this is our response, step response. Okay. On x-axis, 0, 5, 10, 15 up to 40. Okay, because we have written that command 0 as to 40. On y-axis, there is amplitude. Now see, these are the three different responses: red color, greenish, and bluish. So you observe that peak value is also different for these different sampling periods, as well as their settling time and all the time responses. These are the different. And so, student, it is very clear that as the sampling period changes, what is the effect of change in sampling period on the system response? And that is nothing but the verification of sampling theorem known as Shannon's sampling theorem. Thank you.